Hi, friends. So, I just got something in the mail today that I'm pretty excited about. So, I thought, since it's something I'm very excited about, and it just happens to be something that's very relevant to the videos I've made thus far, why not do a bit of an unboxing? Because why not? It's kind of fun. So, without further ado, okay, it's an envelope from Western Governors University. That's right, folks. You may have guessed that this is my diploma. I graduated, and this is what I got right here. Just comes in a little envelope. Unfortunately, it did get bent here a little bit. I don't know if you could tell in the video, but hopefully the diploma itself didn't get damaged. But I will attempt to open this with one hand while I hold this camera here. I brought something to assist me. See, I'm very clever that way. So there it is. Let me go ahead and open this. Okay. There we go. Let's find out what's in it. This is not easy to do with one hand, by the way. I don't recommend this. Okay, let's see. What is this? Interesting. Okay. We got that. Oh. Oh, there it is. Oh, and it did get bent a little bit. It's okay. But that's right. It is my Western Governors University Diploma, Computer Science. Very, very cool. But, yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. See if there's anything else in there. No, that's it. Just the diploma, just this brochure thingy. But, very cool. So, there you have it. Very excited about that. Very cool to finally receive that thing. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work involved in getting this thing. But I did it in a way that I felt was the most cost-effective way. Got it done in one term, which was my plan all along. Minimal stress, minimal cost, but the result's the same. And I learned a ton. So I'm very proud of that. As far as what I'm doing now, still studying like crazy. Just trying to get more skills, get better at the skills I already have, and, applying for jobs because, that's what I got to do now. Now I have to go back to work. But at least I'll get paid for it. So that's nice. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think it's a really cool milestone to hit, to finally get this thing. It's a nice looking piece of paper, if I must say. Pretty cool. But yeah, very cool, very nice. A plus. I wish they would packaged it a little bit better, with the fact that it can get bent like that. But it's gonna go in a frame anyway, so I don't really care that much. But I give it A minus because of the bend. But as far as that goes, now I'm sitting here looking at this thing. I get a little teary-eyed. Well, not really, but it's been a long road, and I got it done. I got this thing in order to assist me in finding jobs, but the journey has been a fruitful one. I've learned so much in a relatively short amount of time, and I will continue to learn until the day I die. And this is just step one in the process, not of dying, but of the rest of my life. So very cool. But that's all I want to share today. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck to you on your WGU journey. And until I see you the next time, thanks for watching. Okay. Bye-bye now.